Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have numbers for January. Where are we at the start of 2023 and the first month of 2023? And Windows market share. Well, here we go. Windows 10, of course, dominant still at 68.75%. So that is still there. And look at that, 0.08 up by 0.08, almost 1%. Kind of interesting. That tells you that Windows 10 ain't going away soon. And I bet you that as the year will end this year, I don't think it'll be below 60%. This is something that's holding on, and it's holding on hard to its position. It's made its place, and I know that a lot of people like it. And, it's tough to have people move on to something new. And with all the things going around, the minimum requirements, a lot of people ranting at Windows 11, that's not going to help either. But Windows 11 is still the second spot. It's up by 1.1%, almost 1.2%. So at 18.13%. So, of course, this year, I'm sure we're going to get to above 20%, which is one computer out of 5. Will we reach 25% by December? That's going to be an interesting number to check. Will we reach 25% of Windows 11 users in December? I would like to see that. If it ups at 1% rate like this, then that means, we could be close to 30% actually at the end of the year. But, nothing is a given here. It's going to be interesting to see those numbers as the year goes on. And then, of course, 9.6% for Windows 7, down 1.5%. Windows 8.1 at 2.3, and Windows 8 at 0.6. So, Windows 11 slowly gaining, but very slowly gaining compared to Windows 10, for example, when it actually was released. So this is interesting. And Windows 10, I say it again, this is going to put Microsoft a lot of pressure. Because as the year ends, if that is still above 60%, and that we're going to be less than 2 years before Windows 10 end of support, that's a situation that I've never been seen before, especially when there's a new operating system. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching my videos.